Time now for your market recap. The JSE combined index lost about 1.3% last week. 125 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, February 7, 2025. 41 made gains, 74 lost value, and 10 stayed the same. 107 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $623 million. Kintyre Holdings, formerly known as iCreate, was the week's most traded stock, with 13 million shares changing hands. It started the week at 40 cents, down 7%. TransJam traded the second most shares. The stock opened Monday at $4.11, up 1.5%. And Wigton rounded out last week's most traded. The stock fell almost 4% to start the week at $1.25. Now let's see who had the biggest gains of the week. 138 Student Living Variable Preference was the top gainer, up 27%. Iron Rock Insurance had the second biggest gain, up 18%. And JMMB 5.75 FRUSD CR preference shares rounded out the top stocks, up 17%. On the losing side now, First Rock Real Estate USD was last week's biggest loser. It fell 27% to open Monday at 3 cents US. T-Tech shares fell 19% after news that the company will be delisted by the end of the month. Meanwhile, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy USD lost almost 17% to close out the week. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index gained 0.4% last week. JMMB Group was the TTSE's most traded stock. It gained 1% to open Monday at $1.03 TT. National Enterprises was Trinidad's top gainer, up 6% to start the week at $2.69 TT. And on the losing side, LJ Williams B shares fell 7% to open Monday at 75 cents TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones was mostly flat last week, while the S&P 500 gained 1% and the Nasdaq gained 1.6%. At the pumps, gas prices rose by 25 cents last week, while diesel prices fell 25 cents. In foreign exchange, it took an average $157.63 Jamaican to purchase $1 US last Friday. That's 19 cents more than the week before. $1 Canadian cost an average $111.27 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $197.33 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $162.75 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin was up 0.5% over the past 5 days, trading at $97,110 on Monday. Ethereum, on the other hand, fell 4%, trading at $2,664 on Monday.